Namaste children, welcome back to the part 2. Those who missed part 1, please go through the video and learn. See, in last video we discussed different types of foods, energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods, right? So we embarked on a mythological journey through Samudra Manthan also, the churning of cosmic ocean. We drew parallels between the treasures that emerged and essential nutrients our bodies require for optimal health and well-being. All these things we discussed in the first video. Today we shall continue our voyage further unraveling the significance of these nutrients and the concept of a balanced diet and the importance of balanced diet also, guided by the enchanting tale that unfolded after the emergence of the deadly halahala. Okay? As you may recall, Lord Vishnu in the form of captivating Mohini enthralled the serpent Vasuki, ensuring the continuation of the churning process. From the depths of the ocean, a series of precious offerings began to surface, each one more wondrous than the last. Okay, so one of the first treasures to emerge was the wish fulfilling cow Kamadenu. See, in our first video, we compare the carbohydrates and fats, we compared them as precious jewels, right? In this video, we are comparing them with Kamadenu, wish fulfilling Kamadenu. What is Kamadenu? Actually, it is a symbol of nourishment and abundance. Kamadenu is the symbol of nourishment and abundance. This divine, it was revered for her ability to provide the unlimited sustenances and satisfying the desires of all who sought her blessings. In our context, Kamadenu, it can be linked to the carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is the primary source of energy for doing all the activities to our body. Just as the divine cow provided the sustenance to the gods and demons, enabling them to continue their continuous churning, carbohydrates fuel our daily activities. Without carbohydrates, we cannot do any activity. Okay, this enabling us to perform our tasks with vigor and with curiosity and everything. So, carbohydrate is the primary source of our body. Imagine the scenes of Devas and Asuras, their muzzles staining and their brows glistering with sweat. They are fighting continuously for the this one sweet nectar to churn the cosmic ocean. It was the nourishment provided by Kamadenu that replenished their strength. How they are getting the strength? So, the strength is given by Kamadenu. Okay, it allowing them to preserve in their quest for the Amrita. Because of that energy only, they are continuously churning the ocean, cosmic ocean. Now similarly, carbohydrates, they are the fuel that powers our bodies. It provides us, the carbohydrates provide us with the energy we need to tackle our daily challenges, to run, to walk, to study, okay, to sit, to stand, to listen. For all these daily challenges, carbohydrates are needed. Okay, just as the gods and demons relied on Kamadenu's bounty, we too must incorporate carbohydrates such as grains, fruits, vegetables. So, we have to incorporate the carbohydrate rich foods into our diet to sustain our energy levels and ensure the optimal performance. Next came to Parijat Vriksha, Parijata tree. We all know that, yes. So, the celestial tree, it has the beautiful fragrance, then fragrance blossoms and It has fruits also. So this tree symbolizes the bounty of nature and the importance of incorporating a variety of plant-based food in our diets. So we have to incorporate plant-based foods into our diet. So its branches are adorned with a cornucopia of vibrant fruits, each one bursting with flavor and nourishment. In the same way, incorporating a diverse array of fruits and vegetables, we have to eat a variety of fruits and vegetables, not same kind of fruits and vegetables. We have to incorporate into the diet, ensures that we receive a comprehensive range of vitamins and minerals, each one playing a crucial role in safeguarding our health and well-being. The churning also yielded the magnificent white horse, Uchaishwarya, a representation of strength and vitality. This majestic steed, with its powerful stride and unwavering spirit, it was a symbol of endurance and resilience. This noble creature can be linked to proteins, the bodybuilding foods, the bodybuilding nutrients that aid in the growth and repair of worn out tissues. Much like horse embodied the power and resilience required by the gods and demons during their epic battle. In the picture, the Devas and Asuras, their muscles rippling with each heave of the churning rope, their bodies pushed to the limits of endurance. It was the fortitude and strength embodied Uchaishwarya that inspired them to preserve, fueling their determination to emerge victorious in their quest. Similarly, the proteins are the bodybuilding blocks that sustain and fortify our bodies, enabling us to grow, heal, and recover from the physical and mental exertions of daily life. By incorporating protein-rich foods such as meat, lentils, beans, dairy products in our diets, we equip our bodies with the tools they need to build and repair worn out tissues and to build our muscles, bones, tissues, ensuring that we remain strong and resilient in the face of life's challenges. So proteins are the bodybuilding foods. They are also very important nutrients in our body. See, in the first part, we compared the precious jewels as energy giving foods. What are energy giving foods? Carbohydrates and fats are energy giving foods. So we compared the precious jewels as energy giving foods. But in this part 2, we are comparing these jewels as fats, right? They are also energy giving foods. They are precious jewels, so we are comparing them with fats. These jewels ranging from the fiery red of rubies to the icy blue of sapphires, they were coveted to their beauty and value. So these gems can be compared to the fats in our diets. Okay. When consumed in moderation, these fats, they provide our bodies, okay, with concentrated energy reserves. They are like gems offered the Devas and Asuras, a source of power and wealth. Okay, we have to consume the fats in the moderate amounts. So envision the Devas and Asuras, their eyes widening in awe as the radiant gems tumbled forth from the churning ocean, their brilliant hues reflecting the intensity of the gods and demons' efforts. These precious stones were mere adornments, they were tangible manifestations of the energy and wealth that would sustain the victors in their quest for supremacy. In a similar vein, fats play an important role in our diets, right? They act as a concentrated sources of energy that our bodies can draw upon during the periods of intense activity or when other sources of fuel are scarce. Okay, if food scarcity comes, our body utilizes the fats only. That is why the fats play an important role in our bodies. Okay. However, just as the germs, they were coveted powerful entities, fats also must be consumed in moderation only. We should not take excess amount of fats. If we take an excess amount of fats, it lead to obesity and it lead to many health consequences also. This is very important point, you have to remember it. So by incorporating healthy fats such as nuts, seeds, avocados and fatty fish and into our diets, we strike a balance. It provides our bodies with the energy reserves they need while avoiding the pitfalls of overconsumption. Finally, the crowning glory of the churning process was the emergence of the divine nectar of immortality, that is Amrita, for which the gods and demons had toiled continuously. This celestial elixir with its shimmering golden hue and intoxicating aroma, it was the ultimate prize sought by the Devas and Asuras, for it promised eternal life and unrivaled power. This divine nectar, it can be likened to the concept of a balanced diet, a harmonious combination of all the essential nutrients, dietary fibers and water, which together call it as a balanced diet. The balanced diet is the gift of good health and longevity. Now, just as the Amrita was the culmination of the Devas and Asuras' efforts, a balanced diet is the principle of the nutritional journey, the elixir that nourishes and sustains our bodies. It enables us to become healthy and protective. So we have to take all these appropriate nutrients in a proper way, in appropriate amounts. That is only balanced diet. Now one home assignment for you. Reflect on the various offerings that emerged from the churning of the cosmic ocean and their symbolic representations in the context of nutrients. Now create a visual representation such as poster or collage depicting these parallels. Okay, it should be creative and use vibrant colors and imaginary to bring your interpretation to life. That is one home assignment. In our next and final part of the lesson, we will explore the consequences of imbalanced diet and the importance of cooking practices and their nutritional value. We will discuss in the next video. Okay, until then, take care, bye. Thank you.